Hello, young explorers. Welcome to the wonderful world of plants where every leaf, petal, and root has a story to tell. Have you ever stopped to admire a beautiful flower or a towering tree? These natural wonders are more than just pretty sights. They are vital to our planet's health. These amazing living things are plants, and they are all around us. From the smallest blade of grass to the tallest tree, plants are an essential part of our ecosystem. Plants are so important because they give us the oxygen we breathe. Through a process called photosynthesis, they convert sunlight into energy, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. This oxygen is what keeps us alive. They also provide food for people and animals. Think about the fruits, vegetables, and grains we eat every day. All of these come from plants. Even the animals we consume often rely on plants for their diet. Plants come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny mosses to giant redwood trees. Each type of plant has adapted to its environment in unique ways, allowing it to survive and thrive. Some plants have colorful flowers that attract pollinators like bees, butterflies, and birds. These pollinators help plants reproduce by spreading pollen from one flower to another, while others have delicious fruits that provide nourishment for many creatures, including us. Fruits are not only tasty, but also packed with essential vitamins and nutrients. No matter what they look like, all plants play a vital role in our world. They help regulate the climate, provide habitats for countless species, and even have medicinal properties that can heal us. Let's dive in and learn more about these fascinating organisms. By understanding plants better, we can appreciate their importance and work towards preserving the natural world for future generations. So grab your magnifying glass and let's start exploring the incredible world of plants together. Plants are like nature's superheroes. They have special parts that help them live and grow. Most plants have roots, stems, leaves, flowers, and seeds. Each part has an important job to do. Roots act like straws, sucking up water and nutrients from the soil. The stem is like a strong backbone, holding the plant upright and carrying water to other parts. Leaves are like food factories, using sunlight to make food for the plant. Let's start at the bottom, with roots. Roots are like little underground adventurers, anchoring the plant firmly in the ground. They spread out like fingers, searching for water and nutrients hidden in the soil. These roots act like tiny straws, soaking up water and important minerals that help the plant grow big and strong. Some plants even store extra food in their roots, like carrots and potatoes. Next comes the stem. The stem is like a strong backbone, holding the plant upright and reaching for the sky. It acts like a highway, carrying water and nutrients from the roots to the leaves and flowers. Have you ever noticed the veins on a leaf? These veins are like tiny pipes connected to the stem, transporting water and food throughout the plant. The stem also helps support the leaves, making sure they get plenty of sunlight. Section 5. Leafy greens, food factories of the plant. Now let's talk about leaves. Leaves are like food factories, using sunlight to turn air and water into sugary energy for the plant. This process is called photosynthesis, and it's how plants make their own food. Leaves come in different shapes and sizes, but they all have one thing in common. They are green. The green color comes from a special pigment called chlorophyll, which helps plants capture sunlight for photosynthesis. Section 6. Beautiful blooms, the flower power. Flowers are like the superstars of the plant world. They are often brightly colored and sweetly scented, attracting pollinators like bees and butterflies. Flowers are important for making seeds, which help new plants grow. Have you ever seen a bee buzzing around a flower? Bees collect nectar and pollen from flowers, which helps them make honey. As they move from flower to flower, they also help spread pollen, which is like plant magic dust that helps create seeds. Section 7. Tiny treasures. Seeds of the future. Seeds are like tiny treasure chests, holding everything needed to grow a new plant. They come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny poppy seeds to giant avocado pits. Inside each seed is a tiny plant embryo and a food supply to help it grow. When a seed lands in the right conditions, with enough water, warmth, and sunlight, it will germinate, which means it will sprout and begin to grow. It's like magic watching a tiny seed transform into a beautiful plant. Section 8. From seed to plant, a magical journey. The life cycle of a plant is a magical journey. It's a process that showcases the wonders of nature and the incredible resilience of life. From the tiniest seed to a fully grown plant, each stage is a testament to the beauty and complexity of the natural world. It all starts with a seed. These small, often overlooked marvels contain all the genetic information needed to grow into a mature plant. Seeds come in various shapes and sizes, each uniquely adapted to its environment. When a seed gets the right amount of water, warmth, and air, it begins to grow. This process, known as germination, is the first step in the plant's life cycle. The seed absorbs water, swells, and eventually breaks through its outer shell. First, a tiny root emerges from the seed, reaching down into the soil. This root anchors the plant and starts to absorb water and nutrients from the soil, providing the essential elements needed for growth. Then, a small shoot pushes upward, reaching for the sunlight. This shoot will eventually become the stem of the plant, supporting leaves and flowers as it grows taller and stronger. The shoot grows leaves, which start making food for the plant through photosynthesis. Leaves are like tiny factories, converting sunlight into energy that fuels the plant's growth. This process is vital for the plant's survival and development. The plant continues to grow taller and stronger, eventually producing flowers and new seeds, and the cycle begins anew. Flowers are not just beautiful, they play a crucial role in the reproduction of plants. They attract pollinators, which help in the transfer of pollen, leading to the formation of new seeds. These seeds will eventually fall to the ground, and the magical journey will start all over again, continuing the cycle of life. Section 9. Plants making food, the magic of photosynthesis. Plants are like nature's chefs, cooking up their own food using sunlight, air, and water. This incredible process is called photosynthesis, and it happens inside the leaves of plants. Plants take in carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil. Then, using the energy from sunlight, they transform these ingredients into sugary food, releasing oxygen back into the air as a byproduct. It's like magic, but it's happening all around us. Section 10. So many plants, so little time. Plants are an essential part of our world, and their diversity is truly astounding. From the smallest mosses to the tallest trees, plants come in all shapes and sizes, each playing a crucial role in their ecosystems. There are so many different types of plants, each with its own unique characteristics and adaptations. Some plants have evolved to survive in the harshest conditions, while others thrive in more temperate climates. Their ability to adapt and flourish in a variety of environments is a testament to the resilience of nature. Some plants, like cacti, thrive in hot, dry deserts, where water is scarce and temperatures soar. These plants have developed thick skins and spines to conserve water and protect themselves from herbivores. On the other hand, water lilies make their homes in ponds and lakes, floating gracefully on the surface and providing shelter for aquatic creatures. Trees are the giants of the plant world, providing shade, shelter, and oxygen for countless creatures. They form the backbone of many ecosystems, supporting a wide variety of life forms. From the towering redwoods of California to the dense rainforests of the Amazon, trees are vital to the health of our planet. Flowers add a splash of color to our world and attract pollinators with their sweet scents. These beautiful blooms are not just for show, they play a critical role in the reproduction of plants. Bees, butterflies, and other pollinators are drawn to the vibrant colors and sweet nectar, helping to spread pollen from one flower to another. From towering redwoods to delicate wildflowers, plants make our world a more beautiful and vibrant place. They provide us with food, medicine, and materials for shelter, and they help to clean the air we breathe. The next time you take a walk in nature, take a moment to appreciate the incredible diversity and beauty of the plant world. Each plant, no matter how small, plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. Section 11. Plants are amazing. Plants are truly amazing living things. Plants provide us with oxygen, food, shelter, and so much more. By understanding how plants grow and thrive, we can learn to appreciate and protect these vital members of our ecosystem. So next time you see a plant, take a moment to appreciate its beauty and importance. Remember, plants are our friends, and we need to take care of them so they can continue to thrive for generations to come.